the tree lighting in Rouses Point at the park. It's not Rockefeller Center, but it's close. C'est pas le centre Rockefeller, mais c'est proche. Hey, look at Robbie's coming. Oh, how's he gonna get through here? So the kids are going, but we're not.
They're gonna go in there. Oh,
Yeah.
so that inside.
You want to walk and see the
Yeah.
Robbie? So now the. Hi, Zach. Oh, copyright, 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 copyright. There's Robbie's truck. See that truck, the Robbie. Okay, I hope I'm talking loud enough. Oh, hello, hello, hello. This Pat next to me. Wow, he's a good driver to get it back in here. Oh, right on beautiful Lake Champlain.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Copyright.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
All right, another big
Then how
thanks
the
to
reindeer
Rouses Point. And gros merci à Rouses Point. So, alrighty. Merci, thank you.